what? Ali bam bam bang. When the 2 sevens, when man. Shh. We're celebrating Marcus Garvey's Day, Emancipation Day, a whole lot of days for us Afro-Americans. No, for us as human beings. We celebrate life. But if you don't know where you're coming from, you will never know where you're going, New York. And let me tell you something. When they imprisoned Marcus Garvey, he prophesied. Listen what he said. Listen. Marcus Garvey was locked up inside of Spanish Town District Prison. And when they're about to take him on, and he prophesied and say, as I pass through these gates, no other prisoner shall enter therefore, and the gate has been locked until now. Say what? And he bam bam bang. When the 2 sevens, when man I go fail. When the 2 sevens, he train. When the 2 sevens clash, what are the bam bam bang? Shh. New York, it gives me great pleasure singing these good songs from the good old days. These are the soldiers that paved the way for everybody else. We talk about Brother Bob Marley, Brother Dennis Brown, Jacob Miller, Peter Tosh, Joseph Hill, Brother Garnet Silk, and the list goes on and on and on and on. But you know what I want to say to you, New York? Whenever time we think or breathe, let us think about Jah. Let us walk with Jah. I want to say to you, one love, one aim, one destiny. We are children of the Most High God, Jah, Rastafari, who lives and reigns and rules over all things. We are children of the Most High and one faith. We were made by one hand, created by one man. I don't care if you're black or white. I want to say one love, one aim, one destiny. We are culture. And if you want more reggae music, don't be ashamed to say it. One love, one aim,
one love.